My screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In previous class, we discussed about the accounting principles and reporting cycle and reporting currencies and ledgers and how we can fix this above all for each and every company code. For example, business having multiple company codes and located in different countries, and how we can use what and all the overall reporting purpose, which GL we can use, and each and every country, each and every company code wise, like each and every country wise reporting purpose, which GL we can use. Everything I'll explain in yesterday class. Same way, in today also, currency setups and ledgers assignment, these concepts I'm going to explain, but only currency setups only I'm explaining today. Ledgers assignment means if I'm explaining immediately, we cannot able to understand. Once we can start the entries, at least GL level, if we can finish like the document entries, posting, what and all the GL relevant transactions, everything completed, then then I'll explain this ledger assignment. Then only have to understand. So first, currency setups. So how in SAP system, how we are going to set up these currencies? So basically in previous class, I explained group level reporting purpose, we can use group currency, right? That is a client currency. And company code purpose, we can use the company code currency. And hard currency means country specific legal requirement purpose, we can use the hard currency. Any currency fluctuations happen, these kind of scenarios, we can use the hard currency. So these currency setups, how we can do in SAP, now in this class, we can explain it. Okay, and before that, we just updated an Excel sheet also. Simply, I'm explaining based on the previous class while I'm creating. Please respond, everyone. So, what is company code currency? Hello.
The time of create a company code, we specify the currency. That currency we consider the company code currency, I guess.
Good. At the time of company code
Yeah, company code creation.
creation, at the time of company code creation, what currency we are specifying?
Specify. Hmm.
That currency we can treat as a
Company code currency.
yes,
Define
COC,
the transaction ratio.
COCD, COCD, right? And same way, so what is the T code for SAP at the time of company code creation? OX02, right? As per our Excel sheet, at the time of company code company code creation, we can use the OX02. Once again, Okay. And coming to what is the group currency? Group currency means group level reporting purpose, right?
Consolidating reporting.
Reporting
Yeah.
purpose. Because these group currencies completely depend on client currency. Client means client having overall how many businesses and how many company codes. Overall, all the business level reporting generation purpose, he wants to use group currency. Either that group currency based on the client business standards, or either even INR also, or USD or UK, whatever. It is dependent on based on client requirement. If client is staying at US, he wants to generate group currency report in the form of USD, then we can fix group currency is USD. Otherwise, if client is located in India, he wants to generate overall business report. He wants to view the report in INR. Then our group currency is INR, right? Group level reporting
Yes.
purpose. It is completely client dependent. Okay. So, and third one is hard currency. Hard currency. It is completely country-wise specific requirement fulfill purpose. We can use the hard currency. Country-wise specific requirements fulfill purpose. Okay. Now these currencies where we can fix. So basically these and all comes under the ECC version. I'm going to explain. ECC version currencies. Currencies. ECC version currencies point of view, I'm explaining. But coming to S/4HANA, ECC version, it will support three currencies. So, but coming to S/4HANA, it will support 10 currencies. So what and all the currencies I'll explain when we can enter in S/4HANA point of view. But in ECC point of view, it will support three currencies. So one is company code currency, group currency, and hard currency. So these currencies, in the previous class I explained. So now these currencies where we can assign in SAP. Simply /NOX02. So while we are creating company code, then we can fix the company code currency. Company code is 1100. Click on our company code. Here we can see currency is INR. So while we are creating whatever currency we are specified, that currency we can treat as a company code currency. So these company code is, for example, the 1100 located India, so that we can fix INR. Same way 11012. So we have one more company code. That company code is located in US. Then we can use the USD currency. At the same time, 1102 or 3 something company code located in China, then we can use the China currency. Like that, whatever company code, wherever company is located, based on that, we can create the company code. So in at the time of company code, whatever currency we can specify, that currency we can treat as a company code currency. Simply OX02 we can fix in mind. Then coming to hard currency, OY0, like OY01, hard currency. Okay, before that, I'll explain one more. Group currency. So, group currency, where we can assign group currency. Simply, group currency is client level currency. So, client level means it is the top of the business process. So, like client is the highest level of the entire business process. client wants to generate and he wants to view the report, enter in group currency report. So we have a important key code we can keep in your mind, SCC4. So here SCC4 is the demo server, right? In real time scenario, you don't watch this number of clients. So only you have only one client only, because entire business process in real time scenarios they are using one client only. Demo servers, this and all you can leave it, but business real time point of view we can use one server, right? Production server. So development, quality, and everything, that is some other scenario. But finally, production server point of view, we have a one server. That server, that client, we can treat as a client, like top level, like group currency. So here we can fix group currency. For example, this is the demo server. So while I'm login, at the time of login, I'm selecting client is 800. So 00000, these and all the demo servers. So this 800 also demo server. So we are using 800. So just click on the 800. So you can see. So here in this group currency, previously they fixed as a group currency is USD. But as per our requirement, our company group, our Amar Raja group of company located in India. So he wants to view entire group level reporting also in INR. So that we have an option edit. Click on edit. Once again, click on edit, double click. Here instead of US, we can enter INR. So it means entire group level reporting also system, it will be generated in INR currency. Click on save it. Just go back and again click on this one. You can see standard group currency is INR. It is completely based on the client requirement. If client wants to view the report in US currency as group currency or China and Japan, whatever, based on the client requirement, we can fix the group currency, right? Are you understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh, then, so we can fix as where we can assign the group currency. Yes, SCC4. And coming to hard currency. So hard currency based on the country specific rules and regulations purpose, we can use the hard currency. And coming to whatever the currencies we can create, these each and every currencies, we need to assign each and every company code. For example, here company code is, our company code is 1100, right? Simply 1100 is our company code. So in this company code currency is the first local currency. As per SAP terminology, their own currency we can treat as a first local currency, and further level reporting purpose we can use second local currency and third local currency. Third local currency we can use a hard currency. First we can define the hard currency OY01. Once again we'll check the T code. So these are all the very important questions. So where we can fix the group currency, like it means they are simply where we can fix the client level currency. /n OY0. IN, select our country. So here our hard currency, till we cannot mention anything. So as per requirement, if you want to use hard currency INR, we can fix it INR. INR. Enter and save it. Okay. Now these two currencies also I fixed. Okay. But I just change small changes. Group currency I'm used for USD only, right? Group currency I'm using USD. USD. So I need to change go to SCC4 /n SCC4, because at the time of assignment of these currencies, if everything it will be INR, you cannot understand well. That's what I'm changing it. Okay, click on edit option, enter, and again click on client 800. Instead of INR, I am going to use USD as a client currency. enter and save it. Just go back. Now, as per our Excel sheet, our company code currency is INR and
Zero.
group currency is USD and hard currency also I am using INR. INR something whatever
Zero.
USD. Okay, now these currencies we have to assign our company code. So where we can assign? Assign
Mohan sir.
currencies to, yes ma'am.
Sir, there is no option to change the client name.
Yes ma'am, at the time of everything once committed to the business process, whatever the name or client name, what you are asking these client names, right?
Ah, yes, yes, sir. You
That is
change
at the
the
time of,
300, no. 800,
yes ma'am,
800.
this is the demo server only. Real time servers, they no need to use 800, 300, 400, 200, whatever that is their requirement only.
Okay, okay.
Okay, assign currencies to company code. So where we can assign this company code? How this red color line? Where is? Okay, wait. So where this assign these currencies to company code means simply OB28, OB28 or whatever. Go to OB28. Sorry, OB22, I think. Okay, let's check. OB28.